How to remove card from Prizepicks. This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing a debit or credit card from your Prizepicks account. Whether you need to update your payment information or simply want to manage your account more effectively, this step-by-step guide will provide clear instructions to help you navigate the process smoothly. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Prizepicks website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. After logging in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Account Settings, or a similar option from the menu. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this section to view all the cards currently linked to your account. Identify the debit or credit card you want to remove. Next, to the card information, look for an option like Remove or a trash icon. Click this option to initiate the removal process. Confirm your choice if prompted to finalize the removal of the card from your account. After removing the card, ensure that it no longer appears in your payment methods list. You may consider logging out and back into your account to confirm that the changes have been saved. You have successfully removed your debit or credit card from your Prizepicks account. Regularly managing your payment methods ensure that your account remains secure and up to date. If you need to add a new card or further manage your account, simply return to the Account Settings section.